Start. Panchayati Raj was first started in 1959 at Nagaur, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Stop. Firstly, it was observed in 2010. Panchayats are physically most proximate institutions of government for people living in rural areas. Stop. According to the Indian Constitution, panchayats are the institutions of local self government in rural India. Stop. In India, three tier Panchayati Raj institutions system is mandatory for all states with the exception of the some states whose population is less than 2 million. Stop. These tiers consist of gram panchayats at village or cluster of villages level, block panchayat at sub district or block level and the district panchayat at the district level. Stop. For smaller states such as Sikkim, only two tiers system, namely village panchayat and district panchayats, have been constituted. Stop. The constitution also mandates that democratically elected panchayats should prepare plans for economic and social development of rural areas. Stop. They should also implement the schemes for local economic development and social justice as entrusted by the central and state governments. Stop. The 11th schedule in the Constitution of India provided an indicative list of 29 subjects as possible work areas for Panchayati Raj institutions. Stop. There is dire need to look into the number of functionaries in panchayats whose capacities should be enhanced. Stop. There is also need to analyze the current strategies and emerging issues for capability building of the staff in panchayats. Stop. There is need to contemplate over the capacity building requirements of elected representatives and staff of panchayats so that they can electively undertake their mandated roles and responsibilities. Stop. Their social and educational backgrounds should also be analyzed properly. Stop. In the structure of Panchayati Raj, village panchayat is the lowest unit. Stop. Panchayat members and officials live with the people in their respective villages or in the nearby villages. Stop. Being physically close to the local people, panchayat members are expected to respond to various demands from the locals, as well as from other organizations. Stop. They follow well defined norms and procedures to manage the affairs of institutions of Panchayati Raj. Stop. Thus, panchayat functionaries should be well aware about the intricacies of management and finances of panchayats, including the procedures to conduct panchayat meetings, gram sabha meetings, meetings of standing committees, etc. Stop. There is need to know the roles, responsibilities and rights of institutions of panchayats. Stop. There is also essential to understand the fundamentals of Panchayati Raj comma democracy, the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, comma the State Panchayati Raj Act, social justice, comma participatory planning, comma gender equality, comma e-governance, etc. Stop. The Panchayati Raj situations vary from state to state depending on devolution of functions, funds and functionaries. Stop.